Hello, everyone. We are here at ESGCT, and I am in the Cytiva booth. I'm very cozy here in the Cytiva booth with some friends who I've actually seen before. I've seen Claudia before at Rare Disease Day with Viral Gen.
Yes.
It's so good to see you. And Suha, nice to meet you today.
Pleasure.
And you have a very important role at Cytiva. Could you tell everybody what you do?
So I do lead the modality for the nanomedicine business unit at Cytiva, and I'm responsible for EMEA.
Okay. Oh, wait, that's a lot. That's quite a bit. And for those that don't know Claudia, maybe you could tell everybody what your role is at Cytiva.
Very similar to Suha. I'm Claudia. I'm leading the gene therapy business unit across EMEA at Cytiva. Yes.
Okay, cool. And so have you guys been to ESGCT? This is ESGCT. We're in Europe right now. I'm not in America right now. We're in Europe. Have you guys been to the show before?
Yes.
How many years have you been going to ESGCT?
5 years.
5 years. And how about you, Claudia?
I started before COVID.
Oh, yeah.
So I think it's more than 5 years.
It's more than 5 years?
Yes.
Okay. And you probably have seen some changes, I'm assuming. Yes. So what do you come to ESGCT for? Why do you like to come to ESGCT each year?
I think it's a good platform to, see the latest innovation, look into market trends, and of course, connecting with new clients, existing clients. I think it's a good platform overall.
Yeah. It's like a high school reunion.
It is.
Yeah, I like that analogy. People have been saying that to me. And you walk around and you see friends everywhere you go, yeah?
Exactly.
Oh, and you can make new friends too.
Yes. This is why we are coming.
This is why we're coming. Claudia, how about you?
For me, it's like a sort of community because at certain point you know each other and so on. But it's also what I like about this Congress compared to the other is still very educational Congress. There is a lot of new information about what is going on in terms of new way of delivering those therapies. For example, this year it's a big hype around that cell-free, viral vector-free, and so on. There is also a good opportunity to reach out to old friends. It's true.
Okay, yes, it is true. Okay, you queued me up well, though. I'm always interested in what people are excited about within the industry. And as we kind of move along, there have been some interesting breakthroughs. And now we're finally getting to see these drugs make it into market, which is exciting too. So what are you both excited about this year for cell and gene therapy?
I've been seeing some new trends. There is some interest towards cell therapy in vivo within LNP, which is very interesting. We've seen previously some trends towards ex vivo cell manipulation, hematopoietic stem cells within LNP, but it's interesting to see some new companies or academia institutes that going towards the more of in vivo approach. So yeah, this is some area that we are looking into, into promoting, into supporting with our existing solution. Additionally, there is a new interest towards an existing as well, but we see there is funding, there is movement towards personalized cancer vaccine. So these new areas of innovation, what makes research continuous, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
That was a great answer. Do you have anything else that you're looking forward to this year?
As I say, there is a lot of innovation going on, new modality to deliver those therapy, which is great and we need it.
Yep.
I mean, this is a sort of healthy competition that we need, but there is also way of delivering those therapy that now are mature enough to take the next step. And they need to be more standardized because we need to reach a certain level of quality, repeatability. So this is where, for example, this kind of Congress is a good moment to put together the knowledge of company like Cytiva that come from manufacturing side, so know how to work in GMP, how to structure technology and so on, with these companies are developing process. So we talk each other and we unify a solution to make it real. So this is also the exciting part.
Have you guys brought any research to this year's show? Is there any scientific posters that are...
Yeah. I think we do have research with one of our R&D team coming all the way from Vancouver, and she is showcasing our cell therapy ex vivo kits that is for LNP again. So some new modalities, and then how to scale up that with the Zuri, etc., on how that fits within the existing Cytiva workflow for the cell therapy. So we do have that with the poster team, and she is down there. So if you want to have a look, that would be very interesting.
Yes, that's what people are here for. Okay. I always like to ask this question of big, important brands for people in your position. So could you give me one word that you like to have people remember Cytiva by after they get to meet you and interact with your teams? What's that one word you want people to think of when they think of Cytiva?
Innovation.
Innovation?
I say that a lot, and I still think that is an important point.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
And tell me this year, what kind of innovations are coming out?
We have this.
This big machine to your right?
It looks like that we organize.
I think we're interviewing the machine as well. What do you have to say? Busy doing its job.
In reality, it's not really an innovation itself. Is a new part of a family called iCellis,
Yeah.
which is a bioreactor for producing adherent cell line, viral vector from adherent cell line. And now we are launching a new scale.
Okay.
So for any scale that the company needs, from a very small scale in process development up to a full GMP, now we have a solution because we complete the entire family. So this is just came to my mind because it's here.
It's sitting right here next to you. Yes. Okay. So
We
that's
have 12 posters, so there is a lot of going on.
and lots of innovation. Lots of innovation. Okay. What word would you use to explain Cytiva to people?
I think I will go to customer centric.
Mm-hmm.
So we take pride in that. And we do believe that the customer product or project is ours. So we take pride in like ensuring that they reach out milestone, they have good results, they're very well supported by our scientific teams.
Would you say that when people think about giving you feedback from your customers, do they see you guys in this way as well? Do they see that it's customer centric? Do they see that it's innovative?
I hope so.
You hope so? I hope so too.
We are working for it, so we hope
Yes,
so.
yes, of course. Okay, and when you think about ESGCT, what's one word that comes to mind for ESGCT?
Again, networking.
Networking? Okay. Yeah. And how about you?
I will steal your word. Community.
Community?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that word. I've been using that a lot with ESGCT as well. It's a huge community, and it's a very strong community.
Scientific and knowledgeable, and it's always good to come. Every single year you see all these new innovations, you interact, you meet your best friends and your friends. So community.
Okay, I like that a lot.
Also, the mingle dinner. It's beautiful. It's better year over year, so.
You mean the molecular mingle?
Yes, the molecular.
Oh, yeah. This year it's going to be taking place in a hacienda, I think is what I heard.
Yes.
Yeah, we always look forward to that.
Beautiful.
We always look forward to that because it's like everybody gets to relax for a minute.
Yeah.
And then you get to see a completely different community, a community that likes to party, serious party.
Where you can
Irresponsible.
Yes, this is where you can find new connection.
Yeah, of course.
Last year, I met a professor from Stanford. It was amazing. You can really find new person that usually during the day you cannot.
Yes, it's a great time for people to get together, not just for the business, but also to just kind of network and get inspiration from each other from all across academia and commercial. I love that. Okay, so last question. You're both very successful women leaders in biology, in the biotech space. So I'm wondering, what type of suggestions do you give folks, advice do you give people who are trying to get into the industry?
I'm trying to think, and the first thing comes to my mind is teamwork. If you are like working in a way that you are team working with your mates, with your colleagues, never think about it as a competition. Eventually, when you win as a team. Even if you team up with your client, with your customer, it's their project, it's your project. So I think I always see that teamwork has a better outcome. Yeah. So you're stronger together. You just continue. I think this is my mantra.
Yeah, we are stronger together.
Yeah. But that is too many words. So I think...
No.
I didn't think about it, but
it's a very competitive industry, but without having a good solid team around you, you're not going to make it. So don't try to go solo. I think that's the lesson on that one. Yes. How about you, Claudia?
I love what she say.
Yeah, I love what you say too.
I would say speak up, go around, make connection, strong connection, build it, really mean to do it as part of your job.
Yeah.
And more important, don't compromise on who you are. Never.
Oh.
You are who you are. You go out, you create your community, and you move forward.
Yeah. Every time I meet you, I love who you are. I love that. It's wonderful. Such a good energy. I agree with all of that. I think that it is difficult for a lot of people to take the leap and make the connections because they're shy, and you don't want to just walk up to everybody. But you will find, and if you just stop and talk to anyone at these shows, they're very accessible. They're very open, and they want to talk to other people. They just don't know how to make the leap too. So you're right. Listen to Claudia. Go for it. It was so nice to meet you today.
Pleasure.
Thank you so much for joining me here at ESGCT. Claudia, it was wonderful to see you again. At some point, we're going to find out where Claudia gets all of her glasses. Yep, claudiasglasses.com. We'll find out what her secret is. But I thank you guys for joining me here at ESGCT. We'll see you guys soon. Thank you. Bye.